Hey, my name is Joanna. Uncle Magic did my son's birthday party. We loved it. All the kids loved it. Different age groups. My parents loved it. Me and my husband loved it. Very professional, on time, and well worth it.
I want to ask you a question. When we told you a money back guarantee, did you believe that if the kids don't enjoy the show, you're going to get your money back?
No.
I want to ask you a question. What was your favorite? They played the games and they had the magic show. What was your favorite?
I think the magic show was great.
And how old is your son?
My son is 8.
8 years old, and he had a great time.
Excellent time.
I want to ask you this one more question. Who's your favorite uncle?
Uncle Magic!